Good afternoon, John here. Well, getting ready to put some finish on these, and I'm gonna stain the jamb. There's the jamb for the pocket door, and then the rest of this is the trim for the doors upstairs. But I brought them down and put the cove on, sand them a little bit, and I think I might biscuit join the side pieces on as well. But this top stool is the 5/4, so it's inch and an eighth, and then I used a 1/2 inch router bit on top and bottom, and then I screw these on because I can't see them from the top, and then I got the cove on there. But yeah, I think I'm going to stain the pocket door jamb stuff, and then this I'm just going to leave clear coat, just the Varathane. I've been using this satin finish is what I did the doors. So, oh, I thought of a little funny here. I gotta show you. I made me think of this. I got a kick out of it. Right here. Leave your sins at the foot of the cross. Peanut butter and dark chocolate. I saw it sitting there and it made me think of that. So anyhow, all right, you have a good one. God bless.